Welcome to Amayascapes General Trias, where modern suburban living meets comfort and convenience. The Single Home 60 is a well-designed two-story house ideal for growing families, with a lot area of approximately 100 square meters and a floor area of 60 square meters. This home provides ample space for a comfortable lifestyle. Spacious living area, an open layout perfect for family bonding and entertaining guests. It has 2 bathrooms, one on each floor for added convenience. Dining and kitchen area, designed for functionality and easy meal preparation. 3 bedrooms, a master bedroom and 2 additional rooms providing a cozy retreat for every family members. It has carport, secure parking for your vehicle, expandable design, future-ready for home improvements and personal customization. Amayascapes Single Home 60 is located in General Trias, Cavite. Amayascapes offers a safe and secure community, complete with well-maintained amenities such as pocket parks, a village pavilion, and playgrounds. With easy access to schools, hospitals, malls, and major roads networks, you can also enjoy a balanced lifestyle in a thriving neighborhood. So what are you waiting for? Invest now!